Hey there! Planning an event can be overwhelming, but luckily we have a new tool that can help. It's called Chat GPT. It's an AI-powered chatbot that can help you plan events with just a few simple questions. So, let's get started. Say you're planning a corporate event. You can ask Chat GPT something like, "I need to plan a corporate event. Can you help me?" Chat GPT will ask you some simple questions about the event, like the date and location. Just type in the answers on your computer and Chat GPT will take care of the rest. It will suggest venues, caterers, and even event themes that fit the occasion. You can also ask Chat GPT for advice on things like decorations, music, and entertainment, and it will give you plenty of recommendations based on your budget and preferences. With Chat GPT, you can plan an entire event with just a few clicks of a button. It's that easy. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to master event planning with Chat GPT. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.